Hi guys, so recently I acquired the DJI Air 3S from Camera Joint. Honestly speaking, this is like one of the best drones I think I've ever bought. So far, so good. It does such a fantastic job when it comes to capturing. Now, today I actually want to go to Makoko. Now, Makoko is actually, I wouldn't say it's under Third Milan Bridge, but you know, when you climb Third Milan Bridge, it's to the right-hand side. If you're going to the islands, it's to the right-hand side. It's pretty dirty. You know, they practically built their homes on wood, on water. I mean, junk. But they have these fantastic canoes that ply the water. I mean, I think that's the best place we can actually get that kind of shot. So I'm going there right now to take a shot. So I want you guys to come with me. Let's see what it looks like, and then we come back and then we show everybody what our capture look like. All right, let's do this. Let's go.